Okay, so sounds like so- sounds like the ABS is good. So ABS is gonna stabilize. We've got it's throwing a P0A, I think it's 92, which is MG1 in the transaxle. And then there's something stuck in the left hand speed sensor, the speed sensor codes, which probably be okay. And then the relays, which I guess will be okay. I've got relays I can swap, but mainly just where it's at now, I gotta get headlights. The ABS doesn't sound bad, but I hear it occasionally pumping, so I gotta get the rear brakes. I gotta put a pad on the passenger side, passenger rear front pad. Otherwise, I don't know. Probably that's all. Clean the insides of the driver's side out also. And I think we're okay right now, no codes, but the limp mode will kick in with the red triangle of death from that MG1 hybrid control code for the MG1. So it probably needs a transaxle change. Maybe the grace of God, it just needed ATF full and it'll be good, but I doubt it. So anyways, that's about where I'm at. I occasionally hear the ABS pump kick, but not bad, nothing grunchy, it sounds okay.